everybody, my name is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make new videos every week covering different lifestyle topics, beauty, fashion, marriage, you name it. I absolutely love making videos and putting out positive and happy vibes out there, so I'm so happy that you guys are here. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing my July favorites with you, so I have a few favorites and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first one is a beauty favorite and this is by Tarte. It's their Tartelette in Bloom palette, which I'm sure you've all seen before. I was a little late in picking this up because I have so many beautiful palettes out there and I haven't gotten new eyeshadow in a really long time, so I was really excited to get this one because I absolutely love neutral colors and it looks like this if you've never seen it before. It's super pretty. I've been wearing this almost every day. It's been so awesome to travel with and it's just like, I love all the colors and they just go so well together and the packaging is so darn cute. Absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever used this and what other palettes you love from Tarte because it's just been so awesome. So next I have this awesome Pocket Pharmacy Essential Oils Kit by Sage. Natural Wellness, and before I thought it used to be pronounced Sahe, but then I went into the store and they said no, it's just called Sage even though it has a J in it. I don't know why I was adding random accent marks, but this is a super cute little kit and it holds 5 different essential oils in here. So when you open it up, it looks like this and it's in a really cute rollerball form. So it has 5 different ones for different uses. So if you have like a headache or if you're stressed out or if your tummy hurts, you have different oils to help treat that and just kind of make you feel better. My favorite has been the Peppermint Halo and it looks like this and it comes in, like I said, a little rollerball form. And it just smells so good. A little bit goes a long way and it's just something so satisfying and relaxing about essential oils. I'm just starting to get into it, so I don't know a whole bunch, but it's been so interesting to learn more about it. And for this kit in particular, it comes with 5 different essential oils to treat different things. And so you have one that's stress relief, one is called Gutsy, so if your tummy hurts you could kind of put the oils around your tummy and hopefully it'll help settle your stomach. You have Peppermint Halo. You have pain relief, so if you're having like any muscle tension at all, you can like put it where it is, like your shoulders or your neck. And then you also have one called Fortify, and that one's been really good if you are if you have a cough and you're feeling congested. So I usually put it around my neck and like just this area right here because when you're congested it's just not fun. So I find myself using this a lot, but yeah, I've been really loving this because it's just been so handy and it smells awesome. My next favorite of July happens to be this book right here, and this is called What If It Does Work Out by Susie Moore, and it's about how a side hustle can change your life. And so I found out about this book and Susie Moore from the Pursuit with Purpose podcast, hosted by Melissa Griffin. If you've never heard of the podcast or heard of her before, I'll link in the description below. But when I heard her episode and her talking about like side hustles and just how to take things to the next level, it made me feel really interested in it because I love doing YouTube, I love vlogging, and right now it's my side hustle, but I would love to turn this into my full-time thing in the future. And so it's like, how do you get there? So this book really applies to anyone who has a side hustle. It doesn't have to be YouTube or vlogging. And what's great about this book is that after every chapter she offers really actionable steps that you can take, because sometimes when I read self-help books it'll tell you kind of what to do, but then you're like, okay, that's awesome, now I'm very inspired, but now what steps can I take? So some of the contents in this book include getting over fear, how to find your side hustle, why a vision board helps, how do you find the time. So for example, in the chapter about how can I get past my fear, at the end of that chapter she writes, over to you, write down all your concerns but don't stop there. Keep asking yourself each one, and then what, and then what. And just so she gives you a lot of guidance through, and then you can write it all out and just really create actual steps and just kind of see the whole picture, do a whole list of things to do. And I absolutely love that because it gives you just a lot of structure. And It made me really excited because I'm in this season of life where I'm going through a few transitions and I want to explore pursuing my side hustle more. So tools like this book has helped so much. So let me know if you guys have any great recommendations on self-help books and motivational pieces that you love. I would love to hear from you. And if you're looking for a new book to check out, I highly recommend this one, and also listening to the podcast episode. So again, I will link it down below if you're looking for some inspiration. And my last favorite of the month is actually a piece of artwork that I got when I went to Comic-Con this month, and it is the Sailor Moon print. Guys, isn't this cute? If you love Sailor Moon, I feel like you would appreciate this. There's tons of artwork at Comic-Con. If you've never been there before, on the exhibit floor, there's tons of different vendors, artists, comic books, just a whole bunch of stuff to experience. And then when you go near the space where they have all the artists' work, I came across this awesome print and I knew I had to have it, and it's just so darn cute. Here's Serena. You have all the Sailor Scouts, including like up to Saturn, Pluto. You just really have everybody. Even the Tuxedo Mask is in here. So I'm so excited to frame this and just add it to a future gallery wall. And I just love her. She reminds me of my childhood so much, and they have new episodes out now too. They rebooted it, and it's just been so awesome to see this. Let me know if you guys are also Sailor Moon fans down in the comments below, because I absolutely love her. She's awesome. If you guys are interested in this print, I don't remember off the top of my head the artist, but I have the information, so I'll also link that down in the description below. So that wraps up my July favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. It was so fun just going through all the items and sharing it with you guys. If you have favorites from this past month, I would love to hear from you. Leave it in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you guys love this video, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have an awesome day. Bye guys.